So let's start. This is the day 2. In this series, we are solving IIT JAM previous year questions. So this is a question number 2. In this question, they are asking about correct order of the rate of mononitration using concentrate H2SO4, concentrate HNO3 at room temperature. So we all know it. This is methoxybenzene, fluorobenzene, bromobenzene, and this is benzene. In the methoxybenzene, we draw like this. In methoxybenzene, this electron participate in resonance. So it is a electron donating group. In a nitration reaction, we all know electron donating group increase the nitration reaction. In nitration reaction, it is electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophile easily attack on electronically rich sites. So if one electron donating group attach with ring, it will increase the electron density in this aromatic ring. So nitration reaction occurs easily here. So more faster go in mononitration reaction, it is methoxybenzene. So here we saw methoxybenzene in option A and B in first position. Here C and D, it is not methoxybenzene here. So this is not the correct option. This option also not correct. So we saw this option fluorobenzene, and here is benzene ring. In fluorobenzene, we know that fluorine is a electron withdrawing group. It will attract electrons from benzene rings. So electron withdrawing group like fluorine and bromine, they will decrease the electron density, decrease in this aromatic ring. So fluorobenzene and bromobenzene comes in last in this order. So here we saw here bromo and fluorine in last. So this option is correct option, option number B, because we all know nitrosonium ion attack easily on the electronically rich ring. In option B, methoxybenzene group is a electron donating group and it will increase electron density via resonance in this aromatic ring. So making nitration very fast. And in this fluorobenzene, electron withdrawing group attach, so decrease the electron density in this ring. So option B is correct. First we arrange electron donating group in aromatic ring, then benzene ring, then electron withdrawing group. So this is the correct order of mononitration. Here this kind of arrangement appears in option B. So this is the right option. Thank you.